In today's video, I'm going to show you what colors you can achieve with up to 12 9-volt batteries. I've showed you guys how to anodize titanium with 9-volt batteries in a few of my other videos. If you haven't seen it yet, check out the link in the description or check out the link at the end of the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the color chart from one 9-volt battery all the way up to 12. Here we go. That's our bare titanium. So one battery is going to give you that straw bronze color. Okay, with two batteries, get you guys a little closer here so you can see. Two batteries, it gives you purple color, almost the color of my gloves. So that's what you're looking at with two 9-volts. So let's go up to 3. I know you guys have seen this color quite a bit already, but that's the blue color at 3 batteries. Let's go to 4. Shake the bubbles off of it. Okay. So you can see, and it actually looks bluer on camera than it does in my hand, but that is a blue, but it's almost like a steel blue. Okay, so let's go up to 5 batteries, see what we get with that. Okay, interesting. It's almost oh man, it's almost a yellow. It's got a hint of yellow to it, but not a whole lot of deep color. Let's go to 6. Oh wow. Holy cow. Okay. Wow, guys. 6 batteries, 6 9-volts. Gets the best gold color I've seen yet. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm not doing the straw color anymore. I'll be doing this gold as a second color. Well, I'll have to show you the outcome of the new colors on the knife. Wow, that is really cool. That's a cool color. All right, let's go to 7. See what we get. Now it looks like for some of these colors further up on the battery number, you want to let it soak a little bit more to fully get all the color in. It looks about good there. Wow, okay, that's a yeah, see, that didn't fully get on the front there, but you can see it looks like it needs to sit a little bit longer in there. But it's a pink. It's a really cool looking pink. Let me see if I can get that to fully turn there. Well, I'll tell you what, let's pull it out. I really like that color. That color's cool. Let's see if running it through the Whink, taking it back down to bare titanium, and then re-anodizing, we'll get that fixed up. Show you, we're back to focus, back to bare titanium. Okay, so now we're gonna try re-anodizing that. Okay, yep, that worked. Alright. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but yeah, that's a solid pink there. Okay, let's go to 8 batteries, see what we get. It's looking like a really vibrant pink now. Just before purple. So it's like pinkish purple, almost back to my glove color. Alright, let's try 9. I guess it depends on what angle you're looking at it. Like from this angle, it looks purple in the container, but definitely looks blue through the top. Okay, see, you can see that's it's a pretty deep blue. I'd say it's probably better than the other blue. All right, let's see. We got 9. Let's see what 10 will give us. Oh yeah, that's definitely green. It's not showing up as green as it looks in person on the camera, but that's definitely a green. Let's see. Let's go 11 and see if it gets more green or if it changes it a different color. $11 is going to almost like a toxic green. That's a cool color. Wow. Alright, let me pull that out of there and show you guys what we got here. It's still showing up way more blue on the camera, but that is definitely a green. Wow, okay. Alright, let's go 12. Seems to take longer the higher the voltage to fully set, but that is a toxic green if I've ever seen one. Holy cow. Alright, let me pull that out of there and show you guys. Alright, I'm going to disconnect the batteries here because that is the 12th battery. Let me pull you guys back a little bit. Alright, so you can see that's 12 batteries there. Start getting into that many batteries, you don't want to make any mistakes. You don't want to blow a battery up on you. But that, ladies and gentlemen, is toxic green for sure. Alright, let's see if I can get you a good view. Tell you what, let me see if I can dry that off and show you. See if it shows up a little better in the camera. It's dry. Yeah, you always get a little bit of a different color when they're wet, but yeah, okay. So with that being dried off, and it still looks darker on camera, this is toxic green if I've ever seen it. Wow. Okay, guys. Well, there you go. 12 9 volts. You get the toxic green. If you could, give me a like on this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know what kind of projects you guys are going to do with this. Alright guys. Stay sharp. We'll see you on the next one.